Hey guys, what is up? Teddy here, and today I will show you guys a very creative footwork that you can play with and you can add it into your set. Very simple tutorial, it's just few steps, okay? But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from my channel, you will get notified. Great. Now without any further ado, let's start. Okay, so we start from squatting positions here. Now next move, we're gonna put our right leg on top of left knee like this. Okay, so only one hand on the ground, as you can see, is my right hand. Now from here, we're gonna use our body to move our leg. Okay, so our body is gonna lead our leg to the right side. Move and like this. Okay, so you're gonna move your body weight to the right and put your right foot on the floor. One more time. Right leg on top of your left knee. Move. Okay, now next move from here, we're gonna stand up a bit. All right, not too much, and then we're gonna move our body from right to left like this. Okay, now to end it with a nice pose, you can do this. What I like to do is I'm gonna put my left hand below my right leg and I'm gonna grab my head. Okay, it's just preference. Okay, so you can do whatever you want at this part here. One more time for the top. Hop, hop, bang. Okay, from here you can either continue to other footwork or you can do this again one more time. So you can put your right hand down, a little bit of footwork here, repeat all the stuff that I told you. Hoop, bam. So there you go, the very simple creative footwork that you can play with, not only using our foot, but you can see I'm using my hand, my level also. So don't just start with the same level or just start with the same mindset. In b-boying, you should be creative, okay? So as you can see, play with all those tools that you have and makes it look more interesting. That's about it. Subscribe, let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.